Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency or crypto, is a binary data designed to work as a medium of exchange wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger exciting in a form of computerized cryptocurrency are about. Why is cryptocurrency so significant today and what is it? We categories join our community, subscribe to emails about us, browsers, categories. What is cryptocurrency? After press, after press, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by disparate network computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrency is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Key takeaways. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital asset based on networks that is distributed across a large number of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to exist outside the control of governments and central authorities. The word cryptocurrency is derived from the encryption